guys, it's Hannah here, and I am finally going to be opening my Simply Gilded box of the month of December 2019. This is the one called Clarity, and oh my goodness, I have been waiting for this one for a while. It took quite a long time before it finally came to me, but now it's here and I'm so excited. So it's actually been quite a long time since I did a Simply Gilded unboxing on this channel. I have been subscribed to the box ever since the first month when it launched. I think that was back in November 2017, and I have been subscribed ever since. I have received every month, not missed a single one, and I just love this box and all the beautiful items that Irene creates. But for a long time, I stopped to unbox them on camera. Some of them I did over on my Instagram, which by the way, you can follow me if you want. It's at Hannahs_Haven_. Because I felt like on YouTube, a lot of people were unboxing them, so I felt like it wasn't really necessary for me to do it as well. I would rather focus on something like the Little Bits box or Happy Scrappy unboxing that I felt like weren't as common. But the Little Bits box has sadly cancelled, so I can't do those anymore. So I feel like I do want to have like a continuous unboxing series because I still have the Simply Gilded box, and as of right now I also still have the Happy Scrappy subscription. But I thought I could start to unbox these on camera because they're so beautiful and I usually have really fun reactions. There's also a mystery item every month, which is really exciting. And as for the mystery item, I am going to reveal that as well. I'm going to unbox it and reveal all my natural reactions. Because I live in Sweden, it takes a long time for the box to get here, and I feel like most people have already seen the mystery item by this time, so that's why I will reveal it. But if you don't want to see it, then if you haven't received yours yet, then you can just wait to watch this video, but I think most of you should have by now. Now, let's get into the unboxing. This box is beautiful, and for once, mine is not damaged, like a single bit. It's in perfect condition. Oh, there's a little bit here, but that's super tiny, so often my boxes come kind of beaten up. I mean, they do travel a long way, so I'm not that surprised. But here we go. So this theme is gonna be super light, pastel, soft, and really nice. All the stuff I love. Alright, so here's the card that says everything that's inside. I usually don't really look through it until I've seen everything because I like to be a little bit surprised. And then I check that everything is in here so nothing has been missing. Alright, so I think, oh, I already see the mystery item. I'm gonna save it for later though. I think I'm gonna start, ooh, I see the journaling card. I can start with the journaling card because that usually gives you a good idea of the box. So here it is, I think it's rose gold foiling, but it also might be light gold foiling. I love this bow. It says reflection, honesty, and clarity. I feel like these words feel very perfect for what's going on in my life right now, this whole box. On the back of the box, it also said this: reflection clears the mind and frees the soul. And that really speaks to me as of right now as well. So this really came at a good time. All right, so we have the stickers. These are always gorgeous every single month. So we have the mini sticker sheet with some half boxes and deco and an extra full box and some checklists. These are gorgeous. I believe it's light gold foiling, but it might also be rose gold. I think rose gold is the theme of this month. So here we have the beautiful seals. These are really nice florals. Then we have the 2-paged mini kit. Oh, so beautiful. So we have this beautiful blush pink and gray. We have 2 sets of date covers, which I love. I'm so glad that she changed to 2 sets because these I use every week. But I usually use up a kit on 2 weeks, so that's really good. And gorgeous full boxes too. Look at that little bunny. It says stay true to you. I love that. And we have some more beautiful items here. This one you can even write something in if you want to. And beautiful here. This one says reflect to connect. And this one is really pretty with all the bows. Yeah. I mean, the kit is gorgeous and I'm excited to use it. These colors really fit, I think, like January and winter time too. It's really soft, but I think you can use it in spring too, definitely. So I think I'm gonna take like all the non-washi items first and then save the washi for last, since washi is what Simply Gilded is known for, after all. So here we have the beautiful charm that comes this month. It's a bow, and we have this beautiful pattern, a little, it's called a little heart, and it's also rose gold metal. Really nice. Then we have a notepad, which I love the notepads. They don't come every month, but I love when they do. So it's a notepad. It's not a sticky notepad. Here we go. So as you can see, it's not sticky, but it's foiling on every page and a lot of space to write on, but it's really like sleek and pretty. And I love to like put these in the pockets of my like A5 or personal planner, and they're really useful. So what else do we have? So here we have a really special item this month that I got really, really excited about when Irene revealed. It is a little like fabric cover notebook or journal with a rose gold bow foiled on it, and then we have engraved Simply Gilded at the back. And it's a really, I don't know what you call this, I feel like it's a specific type of fabric and color, but it's very, it feels really nice. And then on the inside, the pages are really cute because it's actually not like black lines. It's like a soft blush pink, and we have the bows as well. And the pages are really smooth. Not super thick, but really smooth and nice. And why I was like so excited about this is because I really fallen in love with writing, like physically writing lately, and I've started to keep a daily journal, and I also have like a faith journal and all kinds of stuff. And this is like an A6. It's a really small size, but it's perfect to keep like in your handbag or backpack, school backpack in my case. And I have been looking to buying more notebooks because I've been writing so much. I finally started to use up the ones I have. And so that's why I was really glad that this one, it came with a notebook. So now I feel like I don't need to buy like a backup one for when my current A6 small one runs out. So this one is going to be a special one in the future. I'm sure it's going to hold a lot of really nice notes or memories. And then we get to the mystery item. What is this? I think this might be the back, but I'm gonna do this just to... Oh my gosh! Wow! Wait, is this a calendar? Simply Gilded 2020 calendar! You can like hang this? Oh wow! Oh wow! Oh wow! This is so cute! January, and then we have... Oh, it's a Sunday start. I always wish that it's going to be Monday start, but it's okay. It's just for me, my brain, I always look Monday to the very left, and then it's Sunday, so I get confused over that sometimes. But oh wow, this is so cute. Wow, this is like perfect. You can hang on your door, or you can hang, well, on your wall too, or like on as like a desk calendar. You just need to put like a little pin up on your wall, and then you can hang this like that, and it's so cute. Wow, what a clever idea. Oh, I love this. This is so unique. I've never seen anything like this. That's so nice. Thank you so much, Irene. Oh, I love the mystery item so much. Okay, so I am also subscribed to the 5mm washi set add-on because I use these for a lot of things, and since I already pay a lot of shipping, you know, for the whole box to ship to Sweden, I feel like I might as well add the add-on because the shipping, like, it covers the shipping for that as well. I don't need to pay an extra. And I do find these 5mm quite useful. So it looks like one washi, but it's actually 4 washis. So I don't use the vertical ones really, but this is like a soft bluish gray color, I believe. They're all rose gold foiled. This one is really pretty. It's like the Hearts and Vines one, all rose gold. Then we have a soft nudish pink, blush pink color with the bows. And we have the hearts. This is like a newer design that I'm really loving right now on white. So this one can be really useful for a lot of things. So these are really, really gorgeous ones. Like I said, these not the vertical ones, but the horizontal ones, I do tend to use this quite a lot, either as like headers or as dividers in a spread. They're really useful, so I'm really happy about this add-on. And now let's get to the washi. I'm really excited. So this is the gorgeous pouch of the month. It's like a faux leather white one with rose gold hardware and a little heart button. I love how shiny this is. Look at that. You can also add like the charm here. You can add it onto here if you want to. That's really cute. All right, so let's dig in. All right. Ooh, oh, there's more. There's more than just washi in here. I'm gonna take the washi last, so I'm gonna take the pen first. So, oh right, I forgot about this one. So this is, apparently it's a Sakura Micro Perm Ultra Fine 03 permanent. It says you can use on most surfaces. It's a permanent marker. So yeah, it's alcohol based. I can smell it, but it's a really fine tipped one. And this is included because it works really well on the stickers that you get. You can write on, because this is a really specific type of sticker paper, and you can't really use gel pens on these. You need to use permanent markers. So that's really good. I use another permanent marker on these type of stickers currently that I got in a Happy Scrappy kit. But I'm worried that that one is gonna run out soon, so it's good to have a backup. So I love that. I love when you get functional stuff like this, because I really do use that when it's like meant for the things you get. So it's not just all pretty, it's actually functional too. All right, and then we have the pen, and this has to be one of my very favorite Simply Gilded pens ever. It's gorgeous. It's like a blush pink, shiny, shimmery, with rose gold hardware and bows. Also an engraved bow at the top here. Oh, this is gorgeous. I love this one so much. I love Irene's pens. I look forward to them every single month because they write so good and they look so pretty. So I'm always excited about these. I have my little collection of those. And then we have the washi. Ooh, this is so exciting. So we do have there's two. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in the main subscription. Apart from these, that's the add-on. So I think I'm just gonna open this up and we'll see what they look like. All right, so here they are, super gorgeous, all of them. We have a beautiful lace one, which is like a white background, and then there's the rose gold lace. We have the beautiful same floral that's on the box on these with the rose gold bows. Then we have 2 perforated washes here. I think you can see the lines there that are perfect for header size when you use in your Erin Condren sized boxes. Love that, super functional. Once again, I love the functionality. And then we have a simple bow line. You can see there's a little bow there. Also on the beautiful, more pinkish floral background. Super pretty. All right, everybody, so that was everything in the Simply Gilded Clarity box for the month of December 2019. And it's also pretty as usual. I'm not surprised. I mean, Irene always designs beautiful items, but I can't tell you how excited I am for the January box because it's like sweets themed and there's lots of pastels, and that's all that I'm about, you know, so I'm so excited for that one. But I love the serenity and softness of this one. I think I might actually dig into this pretty soon and use for this upcoming week. But now I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!